I'm just going to say thank you to everyone for coming.
Yeah, listen. Good luck, everybody.
Yeah.
You got 5 minutes for a chat?
Yeah, sure.
In private?
Excuse me.
Hey, everyone, pay attention.
Bill, she's changed her mind.
Sorry to interrupt.
This should be good.
Why don't you just let her speak?
I'm just having a laugh, that's all. Remember that? Laughter. Oh, don't make it, boy. You've got a smile on your face.
Careful.
Why? What you gonna do?
Phil!
As I was saying,
I thought you were just going to have one.
we would... sorry, if I could just have all your attention. Thank you.
You got mine?
Yeah, Phil. We would just like to say thank you. Thank you all for coming, because we are having a really, really good time.
I'll show you a good time. Hey, Bill, get a bit of deja vu here. And I've got one question. Just one, two. One question. How much are you paying her?
Yeah, shut up talking about my missus like that. I'm going to sling you out of this pub myself.
Where's Mum? Putting the baby up there. Get him some water.
I'm fine, I'm all right. Good luck. I'm Bill, what's the matter?
Careful,
Hey,
Phil.
what's the matter with you? Just want to have a little dance with me, honey. That's all, little dance, honey.
Come on, Phil. Do it. Phil, get off. Hey! Can somebody call an ambulance? Call an ambulance. Sit down. Phil, sit down. Phil. Have you called one? Ambulance. Phil! Phil!